Hi everyone, I have the directions for Module 6 SPA schedule. So the first thing you'll do is where it says from, put in your name. For the date March 15th, 2017, select it and then click Insert. From the date and time in the text group, select the third option, whatever the current date is, and click OK. It automatically puts in the current date. The next thing you'll do is you'll scroll down till you see the schedule below provides room location, speakers, and descriptions of today's activities. So at this point you would insert a table with 4 columns and 6 rows. But I already typed the information for you. But you can easily turn this tabbed text into a table. Select from time all the way to yoga and closing. Click Table from the Insert tab. These are all no longer active because you've already selected text. You will choose Convert Text to Table. It automatically knows there's 4 columns and 6 rows. Go ahead and click OK, and you've conveniently changed the tabbed text to a table. So now we need to insert a time between 9 and 12. So if you just click in any cell and you hover over the left-hand side, you have a plus sign, and that you can click to insert a row. Or in the Table Tools Layout tab, you could choose Insert above 12 o'clock, or be in the 9 o'clock and do Insert below. But I'm just going to hover over here and click Insert, and then fill this in with the correct time. Tab to the next cell, and so forth. So tab moves you forward, Shift tab goes backwards. Tab moves you forward, Shift tab goes backwards. If you wanted to design the tab to a new look, choose Table Tools Design and then click the More Styles, and you could select anything you'd like or change your mind, whatever you'd like for style. In the Table Tools New tab, if you are not in the Table Tool tab does not exist. You have to be in the table in order to have the Table Tools tab. Design and Layout. Immediately after the quote, after the quotation, after productivity, we're going to insert a citation. Click References. Make sure the style is the MLA 7th edition format. Insert citation. Add a new source. This one is a book. And I'll go ahead and type in the author's name. And then to the title. And the year, the city, and the publisher. Now they also would like the page number, but you don't see that as an option. So if you click over in the far left where it says Show All Bibliography Fields, then you'll see, scroll down and you'll be able to see page number. And the page is 2. And then go ahead and click OK. If you did it correctly, in parentheses is the author's last name. Now click under, immediately after lunch, and we're going to insert a footnote. Insert footnote, and lunch, we're going to give a little description of what the lunch is. Box lunches will be provided. The next thing we'll do is we'll insert a picture to the right of our information here that relates to a spa. So go ahead and insert online picture. So I'm going to type in spa retreat, and you can select any picture that you'd like. Maybe I'll try spa day. There we go. I did spa day. can select any picture you want. It may be huge. Change the size. We'll go with 1.5 inches. Now, if you want to move the picture, it's moving unfreely because it's an inline text picture. If you click Layout Options and choose Square, you can move it freely. And if you want to, you can make it a little bit larger. Just make sure that you don't want it outside the margin. So if you want to check, there you have it right within the margins. This paragraph, if you wanted to, you could justify it so it's even on both the left and the right margin. Then the last thing, select Our Mission and the paragraph below it so that we can apply borders and shading. And if you want to get fancy with different borders, you can. Usually a darker color for the border and a lighter color for the shading. If you want it thicker, you can do it thicker. The shading is usually a lighter color. And then OK. And then next what we need to do, because this is a very short one-page document, we can actually put the references right on the same page. So if you choose References, and then choose Bibliography, and then we'll select Works Cited, and it should fit all on the one page. If it bounced to the second page, just press backspace and it'll put it back on one page. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.